Hi guys. Well, no. It's just a message. Hi everyone, Afia here from In Season Tours, and I'm here at the Eat a Food Kitchen making a Guinness glazed fish and chips, which is a bit of a play on Badawi's Korean fried chicken. So we're going to be using similar ingredients and the bold flavors of Guinness. I just love fried fish. I'm not a chicken person, but see the fried fish, I can definitely do that. We'll be using honey, of course, and tomato paste and other really nice, flavorful spices. So yeah, let's start. So of course you have to start with the seasoned fish. So I've put a little lemon pepper in this as well as some fresh thyme. And we're gonna dredge this fish piece by piece. So we're gonna put it in the cornstarch. A little cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to allow for that lovely crispiness as well as the sauce to kind of stick, you know. I like to make sure that the pieces have a really nice healthy coating of cornstarch. I'm gonna take a break because I'm thirsty. And it's Guinness and it's cold, so cheers guys. I know, yeah, all right, I could drink from the bottle, I get that, but you know, trying to be a lady. Ah, yeah, boy. All right, let me go back to the fish. One thing I don't get though is people who drink Guinness with, what is it, with milk?
Yeah.
Fam, what are you trying to do? Okay, I'm done here. God, look at how messy I am. Oh, lovely. Need a man to clean the kitchen. Hey, I'll go cook, you please. We have our dredged pieces of fish going into pan. Ah, now they're gonna be crispy, right? Put in like 3 at a time. I wouldn't do too many. Give it a little bat. Come in front of your blessings, fish. I remember when I was a kid, I used to be in the kitchen. I used to cook with my mom and pretend to be Julia Child. So this is like a drink. Like, okay guys, we're making a fish and chips. I bet money, plenty of y'all used to do that in the kitchen. So don't even laugh, don't judge me. So you want it to be golden brown. And then after we do this, we're gonna make our Guinness glaze. It's gonna be on and popping. And while I wait for that to kind of be golden, to get golden brown, I'm gonna just take a little drink. So we're gonna double fry it. So I'm gonna take it out the pan, let the oil kind of drain. And then I'll put it back in again because we want it extra crispy. Like crispy to the point is actually crispy. Okay, so I'm gonna double fry it, even though I'm like dying right now because smoke is crazy. But I do it for you. For you people out there, oh my God. Oh my God, I can't even see. Okay. All right, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've double fried the fish and now we're gonna make our Guinness glaze. And to start, of course, you gotta add a little oil to the pan. And we're gonna add our dry ingredients, our thyme, our onion and our garlic powder. You know that smell that the kitchen gets when you now start to cook? Like when you put the onions and the garlic in the pan, it's like, oh my God, try that best cook now. When it's just really onion and garlic. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add the tomato paste. Sizzle, sizzle. Then half a cup of Guinness. So I should have poured it this better, right? Oops. That's okay, we still cooking. All right, so that's like that's not even half a cup, God knows. All right, let's just get it to the top. There you go, okay. Pour it in there, yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Our honey. You know what? All honey expensive. Get all in. Guess what? I forgot. Pops. Paprika. I'm gonna stir that up a bit. And I want it to kind of become a little thicker than what it is right now. And I'm gonna add salt and pepper to taste. So I'm just gonna add some salt, a little bit of salt. I remember it's whatever you feel for. If you like salt, then go ahead. We're all good. And of course, my favorite black pepper. And it's bubbling really nicely. It's getting really, really thick. So we're gonna start to add our fish and coat our fish in this lovely glaze. All right, so our glaze is pretty much done, which means time to add our fish. So I'm just gonna make sure that each piece is nicely coated. Wanna make sure that everybody gets a nice bath in this glaze. So you have the crispiness of the fish, and you have that glaze. It's Guinness glaze, which actually it really, really smells good. And can you imagine like this with fries, with a salad, rice, anything? It's so good. So here it is, guys, my Guinness glazed fish and chips. And so I have my fish here, as you can see, all glazed nicely. And of course, my very rustic fries, my rustic chips, I should say, because we're keeping it, you know, classy. I'm gonna go ahead and pretend that like I didn't eat any of this from before, but I actually did. But we're gonna just go with the flow here. So I'm gonna try my fish. You have a piece. What I love about this is that there's the sweet in the honey, the savory, and also you can taste the Guinness in this. It's really good. So that's it, guys. You can leave me alone now. I have a full plate here. I'm gonna go and finish this by myself. Have a great one, guys. And you can find the recipe for this on eatafoodtt.com. Don't ask me. Go online. Check the website. I'm out.